Game to shoot. Wala! Tama, 60 pesos.
Sumama na siya.
Number 18. Number 18 out. Gitanan. Grow by 8. 33 seconds. 1.3. Bahayak.
Pero gusto ko yung ano.
10 seconds. Pag nakashoot sila, doon ka mag-time out.
Ang gusto ko yung all black.
Yun nga, yun.
All black tas puro puti dito, bilog-bilog.
Ay, iba yun, white, ano yun, white black.
Pero mas lamang ang black doon.
This is the best match for this morning. We are on the second week of the PPA football games. Another overtime, we will declare the winners. Two teams are both winners.
Quarter to 11. Quarter to 10.
Okay, back to the ball game. Malapit na pong mag-fair time. So, kanakan natin bumalik. We have with the floor is Kapati, a group
Gamitin mo ba yun? Hindi mo
Apodosima, and Cabo, and Gitana, and we have with the Villareba,
Baka ko ibibenta mo lang yun.
Hakim, Labapi, Paminyaw, and the best player of the game is Arnel Dorado. Labapi bounding, give it to Hakim, back to Labapi in the left side, give it back to Hakim starting the play, 30 seconds, Hakim, sister opening, give it to Dorado, take it to Dorado, oh, labas na naman ng bola sa block, Bina, 21 seconds left, 21 seconds, 30 shots for the block, 30 shots, Labapi bounding, give it to Hakim, setting the play, pow, by Gajana, penalty. 17 seconds remaining, 7 seconds. Foul of Gajana, very clean game by Gajana, only first foul committed after 2 overtimes and 4 quarters. 17 seconds. Hakim, dito natin makita kung resulta na. Wow, 97, 98, 96, 2 points lead.
Yung kanan, parang ano.
Pag na-shoot daw, time out. Again, Hakim. Last free throw. Wala! Ay! Nakuha nilo! Nakuha nilo! Binigay! Foul! Lababi! Time out! Yellow! 15 seconds! 15 seconds left. 15 seconds. Hindi ba malinaw yung English ko, Coach? Coach, di ba malinaw yung English ko? 15 seconds.
Mukhang ano I have a bad feeling about this. Overtime na naman.
Okay. Back to the game. Back to the game. Back to the game. Penalty. Is Kapete on the line?
Nako, kabado
Okay,
yan.
Kapete now. Receiving the ball from the referee.
Nakatulog ka
He will
naman.
be having 2 free throws because of penalty. The score is 98-96. First free throw. Yes! 1 point. 1 point. 97. 98. Another one. Jump pass get ready. The score is 98-97. 15 seconds left.
Box out.
Let's get ready. Last free throw. No good. Knock one again. Foul.
Oras!
13 seconds. 13 seconds.
Tagal ng 13.
Coach Nigarito. Good foul, Coach Kapete. Professional foul. He wants to stop the ball game. Tama yun.
Hindi, nag-free throw kasi ka mo eh. Kaya nag-stop yung watch.
Okay, Hakim. Hakim again. He's the deciding of the ball game. The fate of the team is in the hands of Hakim. Hakim, first free throw. Yun, pumasok si Hakim. Now, the lead is 2 points. Another 1 point is a sure winner. Let us see. From the hands of Hakim. Hakim. The miracle of the game is from Hakim. Last free throw. Yun, pumasok. Okay. 197. 3 points lead. At, binagan na na. Kuha ng 3 points. Masek, sa gitna. Kuha ng 3 points. Rebound! Susay